Hi guys, and welcome to my cleaning channel. If you are new, my name is Rosie Lynn. I am a mom to a 5-year-old, 3-year-old, and a 1-year-old, and on my channel you are going to see uplifting motherhood, cleaning content, homemaking, all the things mom life. And I just wanted to make this channel to focus on the everyday tasks that we tackle as moms. So you will see a lot of that motivation here on my channel and very realistic mom life. Nothing here is perfect. We have messes, but this is just to uplift you with those repetitive tasks that we deal with on the daily. So in today's video, we are going to be focusing on tackling some kitchen messes, tackling some toddler hotspots, and also giving the playroom a revamp that it desperately needed. Let me know in the comments below where you are from, and if you are here from my vlog channel, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys watching my videos and just supporting me. You have no idea how much it keeps me going in mom life, so thank you so much, and let's get started. I'm going to be putting away dishes during lunchtime. This is kind of like a time where when the girls are eating lunch in the dining room area, I'm able to get some things put away and loaded up. A little backstory: my husband and I moved into this home in February of this year, and so we're fairly new to our home. It is an older home, however it was such a good price that we couldn't pass it up, so we are hoping to replace a couple things. We've already replaced like the sink, faucet, but we still want to replace the sink itself because it's an old porcelain sink and it has a lot of water buildup from the previous renters, and I'm just trying my best to clean it as well as I can, but I just cannot get hard water stains off. I've tried everything. I just ordered the pink stuff, so I'm definitely going to be giving that a shot. But a cool little hack I found on TikTok is if you fill water with a bowl and soap, you can just dip your sponge in clean water every time and wash something without having the water constantly running. So let me know if you guys do this. I thought this was so cool.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Let me know in the comments below how many times a day that you sweep if you have toddlers. I like to keep the kids in the kitchen when they eat. I try my best that if they have a snacky that they have to sit right here at the table, you guys, because the crumbs are out of control. Before you know it, crumbs are basically pets in this house and they are everywhere. But I want to know, how many times do you sweep or vacuum if you have toddlers or kids? I'm just so curious because I have to do this multiple times a day, you guys. So let me know. I am so curious.
I don't need you here
I'm going to be wiping down my fridge, microwave, and dishwasher with a Clorox wipe. In the background, you will see some fall and autumn decor. I picked these up from Target this morning, and I couldn't believe that fall decor is already out, you guys. Like, where did summer even go? I can't even believe it. Not even that. School is starting in the next couple weeks, and this is my first time having a little one in school, so I'm really excited, but I'm also really motivated to get my house back on track and just ready for success. So I have a lot of laundry to tackle after we finish the kitchen. And who else has a toddler who loves to climb on everything? My 3-year-old Cleo will find any and every way to grab something, to climb up on stuff, and she is just fearless. I need to be more like her because she's crazy. But we're moving on to some laundry. I have so much laundry to always do. I hardly ever caught up, and maybe that's normal, maybe that's mom life. If you put your laundry away as soon as it comes out of the dryer, let me know in the comments below, because I need to start doing that a lot more. I think that'll be way more successful in my life, but for right now I am struggling to keep up with my laundry.
Could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers.
Now we are finally moving on to the playroom. This is so embarrassing. However, we used to have one of these toy container organizers downstairs, and it just seemed like toys were everywhere in our house. So I thought it would be more useful to have all of our toys in one area so that the girls had just one room to have all of their toys. So I found that the kids weren't really playing with the toys. They were kind of just dumping out bins and it just making these big messes instead of actually playing with their toys. It was just too much clutter. So what I decided to do was put all the stuffies in this cushion, and it can be a bean bag that they can sit on. Found it on Amazon. I will link it below. Super useful, you guys. I love this thing. Makes things so much easier to store your stuffies. If your kids are anything like mine, they refuse to get rid of them, and I just don't have the heart to do it. So that has been a really good tool. But I'm going to start off with putting all the toys off the floor, giving it a good vacuum. And I bought this new cubby organizer that I seen a mom on TikTok have, and it was just brilliant. So I ordered it. It's here, and we're gonna set it up and put it together very shortly, and I know you guys are going to love it.
Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that.
So the other night I was on TikTok when everyone was sleeping, thinking about my kids, and I seen this really awesome toy organizer. This mom was doing a Playroom pickup, and when I seen this cubby organizer, I just had to have it. So I went on Amazon, found it, ordered it. It finally got here, and so me and the kiddos are gonna put it together and show you guys how it turned out. What I really loved about this is it gives the kids an opportunity to actually see their toys, learn how to organize their toys at a young age, and be able to just see where things go. I really like every toy to have its place, so being able to have multiple little cubbies for specific toys, whether that's the dinosaurs, the food for the IKEA kitchen, Barbies, dolls, it makes it a little bit more easier to keep things organized instead of a big large bin. I periodically donate and give away a lot of their toys, but all the toys that we have here, they play with on a daily basis, so I'm really happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you have a system like this as well? On Amazon, they have different colors, which I really liked, but I kept it neutral because we could use this anywhere in the house or anywhere in the room as they age and grow. So I just thought this was so cool. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Next, I'm going to be dumping out all the cubbies that are in the toy organizers, and I'm just going to be going through stuff that goes inside the new storage organizer or stuffies that go in the bean bag. The only stuffies I left out were the interactive stuffies and the stuffies that the girls absolutely love. Everything else that they don't play with, I just stuffed it in here, and whenever they want to go in there and switch some out, they can, and it makes things just a lot more easier. It cleared up a lot more space, and it just makes things put where they go, which made me really happy. The storage cubes with the cute little animals on them are from Costco. They come in a 2-pack, and they were such a good deal. They're 13 inches, so I really love them, and they just make the room look super zoo-like and cute, which is really cute. I'm also going to be doing another vacuum. This vacuum is from Costco, and it works so well. I do have like a Dyson stick one, and the battery is just going out on it. I've had it for a couple years, but it's not really holding up, and with this carpet it's a lot more thicker, so I definitely needed a more durable vacuum. But that is that with vacuum talk. I'm going to be wiping down all the storage areas with Lysol wipes and just disinfecting all of it. I haven't done that in a while, so it definitely needed it. I normally do it probably, you know, every month. I probably should do it more. I should probably write it down and really get my stuff together and make a system here. But I just kind of clean as it needs. So I noticed that it needed the wipe down, so that's what I'm doing. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you're a great mom and you're doing a great job. I feel like as moms, we struggle so much internally, and we struggle with things that we don't ever talk about. And I don't think that gets talked about often, how hard mom life is and the struggles you go through, not just after birth, but 2 years after birth and all the stages after that. So if you are struggling through different parts of mom life, I am right there with you. I feel like I struggle so much with patience and feeling overwhelmed and just trying to not be so hard on myself with getting things done, and the house always being a mess and just all the things, you know. I became an autism mom this year, and so learning how to navigate through that has been a journey. I don't share that often because I feel like it's worth privacy, but that is something that I have been, you know, navigating with God through. So if you're going through something like that, I'm right there with you, and I'm here for you. So that's enough of my talk, but I'm just going to be continuing cleaning and wiping things down that need to be cleaned in the playroom.
But just wait, I really need to tell you something. 'Cause I feel alone in a room, surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it too. Out on the roof, here with you.
going to be tidying up the bed. It's looking a hot mess over here, but we are going to be cleaning it up and putting things where they go. I'm also going to be adding some fresh pillowcases onto the pillows. The girls absolutely love sitting on the bed, reading books. They love to watch movies on the bed, and it just gives them a little area to just kind of have some quiet time to themselves if they want it, which is outside of their room. I love that. I love creating a space that's outside of their actual bedroom where they can just go read a book, relax, watch a movie, and just have that time to themselves. Here is the final reveal of the playroom cleanup. I am so happy with how this came out. The girls absolutely loved it. A little change made such a huge difference with their toys and them being able to see some things while also being able to put them back where they go. And I'm just overall very thrilled with how this came out. I will let you guys know how the toy system works and if it stays pretty useful. I hope this video gave you the motivation to get something done, whether it's a task you've been putting off, whether it's something small. You got this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you, and I will see you guys next week in a new video. Bye.
You're mine.